Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about servicing fluids on your vehicle and why it's important to service these fluids, which will help extend life of components on your vehicle, saving you money in the long run. We all know about oil services, and we have now extended oil services out to 5 months, 5,000 miles, replacing the oil on your vehicle if using full synthetic. We only use full synthetic oils at the West Automotive Group now, so that you can get longer intervals on that. But today we're talking about some of the other fluids that a lot of people may forget about. Let's talk about antifreeze, number one, flushing out the cooling system, extremely important. Even with extended life coolant, you should be replacing between the coolant about 3 years, 50,000 miles roughly. With regular ethylene glycol, 2 years, 24,000 miles. When we're talking about transmission fluid, we often recommend to service the transmission every 20,000 miles at the West Automotive Group. That's not the manufacturer's recommendation, but it will help extend the life of your transmission, and it's the only service you can do to keep your transmission in good working order. There's also power steering flushes, which prevent seal failures on power steering racks, and brake fluid flushes, preventing failures in electronic components of ABS systems, etc. Remember to service the fluids on your vehicle. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.